In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up disk space by enabling OneDrive's Save Space option. This quick setting helps keep your files safe in the cloud while reducing how much storage they take on your computer. First, look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the OneDrive Cloud icon. This area is often called the system tray. Click on the OneDrive icon to open its small panel. You'll see your recent files and sync status here. We're using this panel as the starting point to reach the setting we need. Next, inside that OneDrive panel, click on the More button, which looks like 3 dots. This menu gives you access to additional controls that don't appear on the main panel. It's the quickest way to get into OneDrive's configuration without opening any separate apps or windows. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window, which is where you can fine-tune how OneDrive behaves on your device. We're going straight to the option that helps manage space automatically. Now find and check the Save Space option. Depending on your version, you may see it described as saving space by only downloading files when you use them. Turning this on means OneDrive will keep your files safely in the cloud and only pull them down to your computer when you open them. This is sometimes called Files On-Demand. It helps you keep a full view of all your files without filling up your hard drive. You'll still see everything in File Explorer, and each file will have a little status icon to show whether it's just in the cloud or already available on your device. When you open a cloud-only file, it will download automatically and then open like normal. If you're working without an internet connection, only files already on the device will open, so this setting is ideal when you want to maximize space while staying connected. Finally, click OK to apply the change. Your selection takes effect right away. Over time, OneDrive may mark some files you haven't used recently as online only to reclaim space. Don't worry, nothing is deleted from your OneDrive. It simply stores the full version online and keeps a lightweight placeholder on your computer. That's it, you've enabled Save Space, freeing up local storage while keeping all your files accessible. If you found this helpful, stick around for more simple tips that make your PC run smoother.